All right. You all ready? All right, let's do this. Take one. Um, recording. What do you want to call this? Um, all right. Take one. Nana Boozhoo intro song. Whatever you want to call it. All right. In three, two, overture. Cut the lights. This is it. The night of nights. No more rehearsing and nursing our parts. We know every part by heart. Overture, cut the lights. This is it, the night of nights. And oh, what heights we'll hit. On with the show, this is it. Na 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 na. Tonight, what heights we'll hit. On with the show, this is it. Oh, yeah, nicely done, you guys. Maybe that should be the new theme song. I don't know. I kind of feel like somebody else has already used it. Eh? Boozhoo ni Janashinabe dog. Boozhoo. Welcome to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today we have a very special guest here. Ikadon Boozhoo. Iji Mishabiji. Mishabiji Ijanakazod. This is Mountain Lion. Say hello, Mountain Lion. Hello, everybody. And he's our new guest. He's another new character on the Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo podcast. And yeah, so anyway, um, maybe that's our word for today. Mijabiji. Mijabiji. Um, Mountain Lion. And anyway, I also just want to take a moment to invite you to come on over to YouTube. We've got new episodes of the podcast. These are 30-minute episodes. You can pretend you're watching it on TV. Hey. All right, well, that's all I had to say. You guys got anything to add? On a mush? Let's see. No, not much, boss. I would just like to concur. Come on over to YouTube. We've got some really good shows, and if I don't, don't mind me saying so, we got some pretty good music too. Okay. All right. Well, let's call that a show. You have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minoa. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, I like this song. When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. When the tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will you. You're always kind of looking at the clock and going, okay, I better get this done. I suppose you do that at night too. I gotta go to bed. All right, so let's just skip the intro and do it. All right, this is the story. This is the story about a lovely lady, eh? No, this is the story of Wagosh and Wabooz, fox and rabbit. Once upon a time, Wagosh was hunting Wabooz. And back in the day, Wabooz, he was kind of like Bugs Bunny. He had magic powers. So I could see that Wagosh was gaining on him. So he looked down at his feet. He says, hey, moccasins, you keep walking. I'm going to jump off the trail here and hide. And so his moccasins just jumped off his feet and they kept on walking down the trail. Wagosh was fooled and he kept following the trail of what he thought was Wabooz's prince. When he got to the end, he just saw two moccasins sitting there in the snow and he goes, oh, that old Wabooz, he fooled me, but he won't fool me again. For I am Wagosh. I am the fox. I am a great hunter. So he circles back and he goes back to where Wagosh was hiding, where Wabooz was hiding. And by this time, Wabooz, he got a blanket and he put it over his head and he was sitting there, and Wagosh comes up and he thinks he's an old lady. He goes, oh, excuse me, Grandma. Have you seen the rabbit? Have you seen Wabooz? And he goes, oh no, I'm just an old lady sitting here. I haven't seen anybody. And Wagosh goes, okay then. Just as he turns to leave Wabooz, he jumps out of the blanket and he jumps up and he smacks old Wagosh on the head and runs off. And Wagosh goes, oh, that old Wabooz, he fooled me again. I gotta get him. So he starts following his tracks, and this time he's really steamed. And he gets up there and he sees an old man on the side of the road. And he goes, excuse me, grandfather, have you seen Rabbit? Have you seen Wabooz? And the old man goes, no, I was just sitting here. I'm just an old man. I don't know such things about Wabooz. And Wagosh goes, okay then, I'm gonna keep hunting. He passes him, and just then the old man takes off his blanket and he says, oh, it's me, Wabooz, and he smacks him on the head and he runs off again. This time Wagosh is really angry. He goes, oh, that Wabooz, he fooled me, but he won't fool me again, for I am Wagosh. I am the fox, and I am a great hunter. So he starts tracking Wabooz one last time. And he comes up and Wabooz, by this time Wabooz is really getting tired. And he comes up to a tree and he runs around this tree 4 times. And he doesn't know where to go and finally jumps inside the tree. And Wagosh comes up and he says, oh, you think you can fool me this time, Wabooz, but I know you've just changed into a tree, and I will eat you this time. Wagosh goes after the tree and takes a big bite into the tree. And his teeth, he comes back with all his bark, and it just tastes just rotten. And goes, oh, that old Wabooz, he fooled me one last time. And he's so angry, he smacks at the tree. But when he smacked at the tree, he actually hit Wabooz's nose. And that's why all rabbits today, okay, this is how I heard the story, and so I better say it because you got to pass along the stories. But he says that it knocked off Wabooz's nose, and that's why all rabbits have the little flat nose. But that makes no sense to me. I mean, what? If kids then had flat noses? Anyway, so that's the story of Wagosh and Wabooz. Oh, wait. There's no ending to that story. Okay, that's 4 minutes already. I don't know. Can you think we can even use this? Maybe if I added some cartoons or something. Alright, well, hey, you've been watching Boozhoo Nano Boozhoo. And our stories are supposed to have better endings than that. I don't know. Alright, well, my name is Nano Boozhoo. Nano Boozhoo Nindigenous. And I will see you again. Iga Waba Min. Minoa. Oh, okay, what is that? 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Maybe that's too long. I don't know. Hey, Wubbles, you want to do me a favor? Yeah, sure, why not? You want to announce the show this morning? Yeah, I can do that. You want me to do it in a Ojibwe language? Yeah, why don't you give it a try? Okay, hold on. All right. Hey, Anamush not away. Is that a dog? Again, sir, I have a name. My name is Anamush. While it is true that my name does mean dog, I'd appreciate it if you would use my regular nomenclature, as they say. Yeah, yeah, I'm just pulling your leg there, dog. I mean, on a mush. All right, you ready to tape this thing? Oh, yeah, just give me a minute here. All right, rolling in three, two. Hey, Boozhoo Gakina. Neiman Wayndam Giwawa Bamdan. Wabuz Nindigenakas. And you're watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. Ikatom Boozhoo. Iji Nana Boozhoo. How's that? Hey, not too bad. Let's keep that. Hey, Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Dog. I'm happy to see you today. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Gakina. Everyone. You know, when I look around this room, I see Gakina that I Zakain that I love. I see everyone that I love. And you know what? I can see right through your computer too. And Gizagain to all the viewers of Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. I love you too. And yeah, I don't know. I didn't really think this show out, but um Gakina. Everyone, Gakina. If you only learn that word today, then that's good enough. Gakina. All right. Hey, anyone got any news or anything they want to add before I wrap up this show? Not here, boss. How about you, Mamengwa? Oh, I don't know. I got nothing to say. You just, I'm too shy. Yeah, you always say that. Okay, well, hey, you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe. You know what? That's just not enough for a show. All right, well, let's add a song. Here's a song that to add to the show to make it seem more like a show. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha. Oh, and you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Giga Waba Min Minowa Hoa. All right then. Um, what do you guys want to do now? All right. Can we get quiet on the set, y'all? Recording We Slip Out. Take one. Take one. We slip out. All right, boss. Whenever you're ready. Okay.
We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Well, we slip out right now, go downtown, what would they think? Yeah. What do you say? Oh, we slip out right now and run away. I know it's no federal crime, but you let me down, way down this time. I know it never once crossed your mind, but you left me down in the dirt, and I was so far behind. We slip out right now and run away.
Thank you for listening to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Oh, I will see you again. Iga waba min, minawa.